Hey guys, on today's video I'm gonna be doing the starter on this 2012 Honda Civic 1.8, and as you know, when I try to start it, it will not start, and I don't know if you guys could hear just a clicking noise. So I already did the diagnostic on this one, so I'll be replacing the starter. Alright, before you start working on the car, make sure you need to remove the negative side of the battery, and it's only, you can use a 10mm wrench to remove the battery, just to make sure you're not gonna damage anything or make some spark. You're not damaging the computer. Alright, first thing, we need to remove this bracket right here. This bracket right here is a 10mm bolt, and also there's a 12mm bolt right here, so we have easy access on the upper bolt of the starter. There's a bolt all the way up right there. It's kind of dark, but there's a bolt here, and the starter is located behind and the bottom of the intake manifold. And also there's only two bolts, there's another bolt all the way on this side right here behind this wire right here, and we need to remove that too. And of course, you know, all the connector, that one there, we need to remove that wire and connectors there. And yeah, if you could see that bolt all the way up right there, we need to remove that. And that's the bolt there, that's the bolt there, if you could see that one there. So we need to remove that. And all right, alright you guys, before you could actually access this bottom bolt for the starter, you need to remove this shield right here. It's for the speed sensor shield, and you do that. It's only two 10mm bolt. There's one right here on that there, and then there's one on the top one. You just need to loosen it, and that shield, it will slide down. Yeah, so you need to remove this one right here first, because this one right here on the top is on the way. So this one right here, you can't put your socket if that's on the way. So now you have more access on the bolt right there. All right. So here's the old starter. So just need to remove the wire right here. It's a 12mm bolt and the connector right here. Hey guys, we're gonna be installing the new starter. I have my new starter here, so we're gonna, go through this side here. Alright, I have my new starter installed, and yeah, just installed everything the way you remove. Make sure you have all the connector plug in, and the shield for the speed sensor is back on right there, and also the intake bracket right here. So now we could start it and see if it's gonna work. Alright, let's go start this vehicle. Let's see if it's gonna start. Alright, there you go. So I need to jump it because the battery died. And yeah, we start. And thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and yeah, happy wrenching.